It's your boy Chuck Love. I'm about the size of a tractor trailer tire. What up? I'm at my boy's job. He works on tractor trailers and everything else you can imagine. He's the master welder, or whatever the exact position's called. Some tires, some trucks. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, look at that toolbox. If there's any mechanics out there that know a little bit about tools, that toolbox and tools is probably a lot of money. Look how tall it is. What? It's huge. There's my boy Chewy. He's gonna be working on my boy's room. So what's up, Chewy?
What's up, Chewy? I don't think anybody's ever fucking used that.
Well, Charlie needs to do it because he's got good ideas. That is my pen.
Huh? A little ass.
And that's my scooter. Look at the rims. Look at the rims, yo. Look at the rims. Look at the rims zooming in. Whoa.
So let me take you to a trick.
I can't do any tricks. That's my boy's rim. I guess he has, what's going on with it? He has a crack in the rim. He needs to get it fixed. This is the stool I'm going to sit on. See if I can get up without busting my ass. Oh man. Oh man. Whoa. 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 Alright, here we go. Sitting on the stool. I'm going to sit here and be a spectator. Oh, I'm going for a ride, going for a ride. Alright, that's the crack. Let me see if I can zoom in real quick. Alright, so that's the crack. And it's going to be fixed afterwards. Make sure when anyone's welding you wear protective cover for your eyes. You do not want to go blind. Do not say anything. And while my boy's over there welding, I want to get on my scooter and ride. Here we go. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's like
Yeah. Hey, what's going on? My boy just finished the rim right there. So now I'm all geared up, if you want to take the camera from me. And I'm going to mess around. I'm going to try to do a little bit of MIG welding. Okay. So what do I have to do here? Put the helmet down, safety first.
Are you watching?
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, what button do I push again?
That button.
Alright. Let me get this real quick and try to get a feel for it. Can I pick it up? What gloves should I use? Which hand should I put it on? This hand?
The hand fits on.
Alright. How am I going to fit?
Well, you have to. Trust me.
Yeah. Where's my gun? Alright, here I go. Oh, you want to put this on real quick? I can't see that. Remember, safety first, guys. Let me get on this side. Can we move this over?
You move any way you want to.
Alright. Where's it at now? How hard do you have to squeeze it?
Yep.
You'll feel it.
Where's it at? Where do I squeeze? The bottom or top?
Doesn't matter as long as you're squeezing it.
You know I'm strong enough? Oh. Where at? Oh,
see it go.
Do we need to retake?
Yeah, we do.
Here I go. I did a C already. I'm gonna try H-U-C-K. Alright, let me just do a heart. There you go. It wasn't the best. That was supposed to be a chuck, and that's a heart. And there you go. That's me MIG welding for the first time ever. Trying to do a MIG weld. Holla at your boy. Trying to do a peace sign. Peace. Sign? You know what's going on? Now I'm going to do one for our boy Jesse at PVP. Hold on. There you go, Jesse and Gina. PVP. Nation.
You're going for a welding helmet.
Sorry. Sorry about the welding helmet. Sorry about the welding helmet. Later.